Hey y'all, welcome to the blueberry farm. It's January and we have plenty of work to do to get our farm ready for the upcoming blueberry season, which normally starts in June, late May, first part of June, somewhere in there. But we're going to show you a few things what we're doing. Right now we're starting cleaning out our pond and digging up a whole lot of brush and things like that to get it burned and get it pushed away out of the way. Getting our pond dug out so that we can actually use it for overhead frost protection in the on our berries, because we have early blooms, especially like this past season. We've had a really warm December, and the plants are a lot farther ahead right now than they normally are, and they're already starting to crack open. The buds are starting to crack open, and they're going to start flowering a lot earlier this year than normal. So we're trying to get it dug out so that we can all get some sprinkler heads set up and some sprinkler systems over the field so that we can protect any of those blooms when we have these late frosts and late freezes, and try to save the berry crops so we can actually have a few more to sell. So in this area here, we're going to put possibly more blackberries in this area, maybe a couple greenhouses, we're not sure yet. But we're about to push all this brush down and into some piles so we can get it burned. Looks like we got a brand new 480 loader tractor. We're going to try to push as much as we can with it, and we're going to get us a mini excavator in here tomorrow and start digging this stuff out. See if we can clean it up and get some plants planted in this area. Show you over this way what it looks like. It's all brushy, it's growed up. We had it all cleaned out at one time, and neglect has let it grow back up. But we've got a pond up here, and it's filling in, so it's not getting any water, any runoff. We're going to try to dig that out as well in the next few days, see if we can't get the pond to start collecting more water. We're going to have to dig all these willow trees up that have grown up here on the dam of it. I'll get up here and show you where it's at. It's hidden in here. Excuse me. There's the pond, what's left of it. It's dried up. We hadn't had much rain lately. Anyway, we're going to get it all cleaned up and try to get some more water in it. A lot of work needs to be done. We got the bass boat seat on the tractor there, making it comfortable. Got the teeth on this bucket down right here on this, dragging all them roots and weeds out of there. What we can before we get the skid steer in here in the excavator. All right, we got the excavator out here, a little mini excavator, and we're digging around the pond trying to clean it up. Try to get it to where we can pump some water out of this thing and actually use it for overhead frost protection on the berries, which are, you can't see them, but they're up that way. And we're going to take some of this dirt right here and we're going to move it over here in this area right here. There's a wash right there. We're going to try to take that and move it in there too. That makes it a lot easier getting in and out. You can do a lot of work quick with one of these little small excavators, especially when you got somebody who knows how to use it a lot better than you do. Making a little progress. Gotta get all these willows out of here. They're drinking a lot of water out of the pond. See if we can get this fancy thing running. Hook that up to get the fuel pump going. Maybe not. Well, I guess we got to recharge battery on that thing just to get it going. It's always something. Well, y'all, I've never driven a excavator of any kind before. So I'm gonna try to do that. The guy's gone that's running this thing for me. But I'm gonna get in this thing and see if I can move a little bit of dirt. This is a TB 260. I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna see what I can tear up with it. Okay. Let's see here. Well, we got it running. Push this down. Lock that in place. Up. All right. Okay. I'm gonna try to dig some of this dirt. Dig some of this stuff up and just get it loose. This thing hard to get used to. Wrong way. Well, y'all, we worked 3 full days, and we've got this brush piles down now. I'm gonna put blackberries in this area right here. Still got a little smoke coming out of the piles here. Here's the pond. We got it all fixed, got a new dam on it here. Extended the dam over on that side, made it to where some more water will run off in here so we can catch more water. Got it all cleaned up. Not bad for 3 days work with a 65 horse TL8R2 and whatever that says right there, and also a mini excavator. So you can do a lot even with small equipment. I got one more day on this machine, so I'm gonna push up some brush and get more things cleaned up.